Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be showing you top 5 best gaming smartphones that you can buy for yourself in 2021 under rupees 50,000. Actually, it was a requested video from one of my subscribers, and so without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Okay, so one important thing which I would like to mention before starting this video is that it is not possible for me to include all the specifications of this kind of gaming smartphone inside a single video. I will be trying my level best to point out only the key features of these smartphones which you must know before you purchase one for yourself. And also please make sure that in this video I have not mentioned any Apple smartphones, that is the Apple iPhones.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
Because when you are going to buy any gaming smartphones, then you must keep in mind that you will not use that smartphone only for gaming purpose, but also for doing all other regular stuffs that we usually do in our smartphones. And that's why I have mentioned only the Android smartphones that you can purchase as a gaming smartphone. And okay, so let's start this video. At number 5 we have the OnePlus 8T. It is also a 5G enabled smartphone and also comes with 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage space. It is the base variant of this smartphone. Also you will get other higher variants as well, that is the 12 GB RAM variant will be same, but the storage variant you can take according to your preference as well. Also it comes with 4500 mAh of lithium ion battery inside it, which supports 65 watts of fast charging. Also it provides you a very high refresh rate, that is 120 Hz of refresh rate, which will be a very good experience if you play games on your smartphone. And so it is a very good smartphone because it has a higher refresh rate as compared to other smartphones. OnePlus 8T also comes with a quad camera setup, that is a rear quad camera setup, and also in front it has a single camera. Also it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor inside it, which is considered to be a very good processor when it comes to gaming or doing all those heavy stuffs like that. And also, as I told you earlier, that it also supports fast charging. Number 4 we have the MI 11X Pro. It is also a 5G enabled smartphone and also it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage space. Also it has another variant as well, that is the 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage variant. You can purchase any one of it according to your storage preference. Also it will be coming with a 6.67 inch full HD display, which is a HDR10 display, and also it is a very good gaming display as well because it will not hurt your eyes. Also it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which is, I already mentioned before, that it is the strongest gaming processor right now available in the market, and also it supports fast charging as well. The MI 11X Pro also comes with a triple camera setup and also with a battery that is around 4520 mAh battery inside it, which supports 33 watts of fast charging. Number 3 we have the MI 10T Pro. It also is a 5G enabled smartphone and also comes with 8 GB of RAM and 112 GB of storage space, which can later also be extended up to 256 GB as well. And also it has a very high refresh rate, that is it supports 144 Hz refresh rate, which is the highest possible refresh rate in the smartphone market right now. And also it will be providing you some cool additional gaming features as well, which will be there inside the smartphone itself. For example, in case of OnePlus we get the Fnatic mode. This type of gaming mode is also given in this smartphone as well. Also, you will be getting the Alexa, that is the Amazon Alexa voice assistant enabled inside the device itself. That is, you will not need to download any app and do the Alexa stuffs like that. It will be already enabled as a voice assistant or your assistant as in the smartphone itself. And also it will be coming with a very good camera setup. Those of you who love taking photographs and doing all those stuffs like that, it is a very good camera smartphone as well, as it provides you with a triple camera setup, and the main camera is of 108 megapixel, which is beyond expectation. And also the front camera is also good, and also it supports very good fast charging as well. And also it also provides you a different kind of display which will not hurt your eyes, and you will be having a very good gaming experience altogether in this smartphone also. Mi 10T Pro is also a 5G enabled smartphone and also comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor inside it. Also it has a very good battery backup, that is it supports 5000 mAh battery, that is the lithium ion battery inside it, which supports 33 watts of fast charging. At number 2 we have the OnePlus 9R. It is the latest flagship device from OnePlus. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space. It also comes with a very good refresh rate, that is 120Hz refresh rate, which will give you a very smooth experience. It also comes with a screen size, that is 6.55 inch screen size. Along with you get the 4500 mAh lithium ion battery inside it, which will allow you to fast charge the smartphone at about 65 watt of fast charging is also enabled in this smartphone. And also because of the higher refresh rate, the gaming experience will be very good in this kind of smartphones as well, and you get a very clear display. And the display quality used in this smartphone by OnePlus is a different kind of display, that is a gaming display basically, which will not affect your eyes as well. The OnePlus 9R also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor inside it, which is a very strong processor when it comes to gaming or doing any other high-end stuffs like that. Also it supports 5G, that is it is a 5G enabled smartphone as well. And also it has a very good display quality, as I have already mentioned you earlier. And also it will be giving you a very better gameplay experience, and also will be coming with a 4 camera setup, that is a quad camera setup. And also the front display is manufactured in such a way that it has a punch hole camera inside it, that is you will see only the camera itself and the full screen, so there is no bezels whatsoever, and so it is a very good gaming experience as well. Number 1 we have the Asus ROG Phone 5. It comes in 2 different variants, that is the 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage space, and the other one is 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage space, but that variant will exceed you the 50,000 mark, so I will not be explaining the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. And also it comes with a 6.7 inch full AMOLED display, which is HDR10 display, that is it's a different kind of gaming display altogether. Also it comes with 8GB of RAM, and also it has a ear trigger option. All you might be knowing that the ear trigger option is very famous in this kind of smartphones, because this ear trigger helps you to if you want to play in 4-finger, then you can use that ear trigger as well. It will be included inside the box itself. Also it comes with 6000 mAh battery, which supports 65 watts fast charging, which is a massive fast charging experience in case of a smartphone itself. Also they provide a cooling fan inside your smartphone itself, which will make your device much more cool when you will be playing any kind of high graphics games altogether. And also it will be providing you some RGB lighting as well. That backside, that ROG logo will be designed in such a way that it is made of RGB lights, and so the color will continuously change when you will be playing it or using it, and you can customize it yourself as well. Also, it comes with a triple camera setup, and the front camera is of 24 megapixel, which is a very good option for those who love taking selfies as well. And moreover, it is a very compact and strong smartphone when you will be doing gaming and high-end stuffs like that, and so it is in our first list. This ROG Phone 5 also has a very high refresh rate. Along with, you get the Snapdragon 888 processor inside it, which is considered to be the fastest processor in the smartphone market right now. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying this kind of gaming smartphones for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.